So it decided to rain when I started filming. Great.
Open your eyes while I say this. I think your love might be dangerous. I might fall in, it's contagious. I love your sound and body language. Ooh, think I can manage what you're saying. Oh, a little Spanish and some English. Oh, you give me everything I hope for. I swear me and my ex is over. When it's nights like this, I really wanna.
Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time at my channel, please subscribe right there. Click the button subscribe, it's free. I am starting a back to school I really can't speak. I am starting a back to school series, and I think I told you guys in my last video, and I asked you guys which series you wanted to see first. The Element series, which was meant to be Element eyeshadows, or my back to school series, and everyone said back to school. So here I am doing my first episode of the back to school series, and in this video I'm going to be doing a school supplies haul. So yeah, let's just get this video started. Ignore my finger but yeah, subscribe to my channel and let's get this video started. Also ignore how loud the rain is. The first thing I have is my pencil case. This is from W.H. Smith. The rain is kind of loud, so I apologize if you can't hear me properly, but whatever. So this is my pencil case. It looks like this. I got it from W.H. Smith and it was $6.99. I got A4 white card and A4 fluorescent cards. This card is for making flashcards to revise and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. This is my notebook. It has this cute base and it's this thick. It's not A4, but it's smaller than A4, but I don't know what the name of this size is. It's not A5 either. And it's not a square, but it almost is. I don't know what sizing this is, but yeah, it has lines to write in. It's not a plain notebook. So this will be my book where I write all my revision notes and stuff. Moving on to the cheaper things and smaller things, I have this eraser and sharpening set. It was £1. This geometry set, which is also £1. A pack of 32 ballpoint pens. This was not £32. This was £1. It was from Poundland, so thank you Poundland. A pack of 4 highlighting pens, because my last ones from last year, even though I didn't show you what I had last year, my last ones ran out. Like I accidentally left them open and they dried, so I had to get these. A pack of Bic pens. I opened it just to see, but yeah, a pack of Bic, the clicky pens, 4 of them. This was £1. And also these fine liners, which I'll be using to write on the card for flashcards for revision, and I'll sometimes be using these in my notebook, but in my notebook I'm probably just going to be writing a lot, but with flashcards I want to decorate them and make them more pleasing to the eyes. I also have this ruler, and what I like about it is like it's long but it's foldable, so it fits inside my pencil case instead of lugging it inside my bag and then like taking it out. That's just effort for me. I can't be bothered. I just want a foldable one, and not a small one, just a normal size, but it's foldable and it's only £1. This is from The Works, by the way. Everything is in the description. I didn't mention where it's from, but in the description it will show you where it's from. So yeah, if you want to buy anything, just click everything. I'm not sponsored, I'm not big enough for that, but I'm just saying I'm not sponsored for any of these things. So pencils, I have 4 unused pencils from last year. We don't even really use pencils except in maths, but that's like really rare. So 4 pencils can probably last me till college. So, you know, I'm just gonna leave these. I'm not gonna buy new ones. There's really not a point. I also have this Casio calculator from last year. It has a crack here, but it works. It's fine. I don't need a new one, but I'm just showing you this because this is my calculator. It's a scientific one, so it has more things, and I think everyone should just get a scientific calculator because this will help you the most. In my school you're meant to have it, but if your school doesn't make you get it, you should get it anyway because it really helps, like really helps. This is the end of my first episode of my back to school series, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You need to subscribe ASAP because I be posting so many different things. I know sometimes I be posting makeup or hair, but I'm on a grind right now and I'm trying to do different things. So this is some of the different things I've been doing. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Also, follow me on these social medias. I've put them in the description too, so yeah. Bye. In this video, I'm going to be doing a how to glow up video. So
what? Hey, okay. Naruto, 9-tail, fox, I feel like a Gucci ad-lib bird. Colder than Coca-Cola, mascot, polo bird. Put my sauce on lasagna, it can make Garfield purr. I ain't really fucking with these niggas like a dyke. You can like Tiger, I tell him earn your stripes.